Tired of your Tableau averages being skewed by irrelevant data? Let's dive right into calculating averages from specifically filtered values in Tableau. First, drag the dimension you want to filter, such as region, to the Filters shelf. In the Filter menu, select the specific values you want to analyze. For example, let's say we only want to see the Central and East regions. Now, drag the measure you want to average, like sales, to the Rows shelf. Then, from the Analytics pane, drag average line to the view. Here's the key part: create a calculated field. Right-click on any empty space in the data pane. Then select Create Calculated Field. Name it something descriptive, like Filtered Average Sales. In the Calculation field, enter this formula window _ if contains region, Central, or contains region, East, then some sales, and this formula tells Tableau to only consider the sales from the Central and East regions when calculating the average. Drag this newly created calculated field to the view, likely replacing the original average line. And that's it. You now have the average sales figure based only on your filtered regions. This method allows you to focus on key segments, gain deeper insights, and make data-driven decisions with precision.